I can repeat one more time. Nurhaliza, she's the one of the beautiful voice in the world for me, and I want to say a lot of thanks for her support, and for me, of course, I want to share with you about my feeling, because for me it will be a great honor to do performance with her together in front of warmest Malaysian audience. So now we just do a rehearsal only with telephone, because now I'm living in LA, and just a couple of days ago I was in Kazakhstan, so little bit difficult, but we're gonna try to do our best, especially for our audience, for our fans. Thank you very much. I'm really nervous because it's my first concert in Malaysia. I've never been singing in Malaysian language, so I'm really a little bit nervous, but I will try. Thank you.